Listen up, entrepreneurs. Want a slice of that sweet, sweet internet money? Affiliate marketing, that's your ticket. It's like having a digital sales team working for you 24/7. You promote other companies' products, they reward you for every sale. Simple, right? Now you're not just slapping links on a web page and calling it a day. Successful affiliate marketing takes hustle, strategy, and a whole lot of heart. But don't worry, we're going to break it all down. By the end of this, you'll be ready to crush it in the affiliate world. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building genuine connections with your audience, understanding their needs, and offering them valuable solutions. You become a trusted advisor, a curator of awesome products. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing together. First things first, you need products to promote. That's where online stores come in. Think Amazon, Walmart, Target, but also niche stores in your passion areas. The options are endless. Look for affiliate programs that resonate with your audience. Selling makeup brushes, partner with beauty brands. Passionate about sustainable living. Team up with eco-conscious companies. See the connection? Don't be afraid to join multiple affiliate programs. Diversifying your portfolio spreads your bets and maximizes your earning potential. It's like having multiple streams of income flowing in. Remember, building relationships is key. Reach out to these companies, show them you're serious about promoting their products. Be professional, be enthusiastic, and watch those partnerships blossom. Now that you've got your products lined up, it's time to shout it from the rooftops. Well, not literally, but you do need to get the word out there. How? Content, baby. Social media is your best friend. Create engaging posts, stories, and videos showcasing the products in action. Don't be afraid to get personal, share your experiences, and let your personality shine through. Got a blog or website? Even better. Write in-depth reviews, create comparison articles, and offer valuable insights that help your audience make informed decisions. Remember, content is king. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters featuring your top product recommendations, exclusive deals, and valuable content. Keep those clicks coming. Don't forget about paid advertising. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target specific audiences with laser focus. It's an investment, but if done right, it can pay off big time. Section 4. Skills to pay the bills. Become an affiliate mastermind. Affiliate marketing isn't rocket science, but it does require a certain set of skills. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech whiz or marketing guru, but you do need to be willing to learn and adapt. First and foremost, you need to understand your audience. What are their pain points? What solutions are they looking for? Once you know who you're talking to, you can tailor your message accordingly. Next up, SEO. Search engine optimization is crucial for driving traffic to your content. Learn the basics of keyword research, on-page optimization, and link building. It'll make a world of difference. Content creation is key. Whether it's writing, video editing, or graphic design, you need to be able to create engaging content that captures attention and drives conversions. Don't be afraid to experiment and find your unique voice. Finally, data analysis. Keep track of your metrics, analyze what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. The more you understand your numbers, the better equipped you'll be to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Section 5. The big payoff commissions made easy. Okay, let's talk about the money. After all, that's why we're here, right? Affiliate marketing works on a commission basis. You promote a product, someone clicks your unique affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, you get a percentage of the sale. Commissions vary depending on the merchant and the product. Some offer a few percentage points, while others go as high as 50% or even more. It's all about finding the right programs that align with your goals. Payments are typically made on a monthly or quarterly basis, either through direct deposit, PayPal, or check. Some programs even offer performance bonuses for top performers. Cha-ching! The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's scalable. The more you put in, the more you get out. Build a loyal following, promote high-quality products, and watch those commissions roll in. Section 6. Ready, set, go. Your affiliate journey starts now. So there you have it, folks. The world of affiliate marketing awaits. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding journey. You have the power to build a successful online business, connect with a global audience, and achieve financial freedom. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. So what are you waiting for? Get out there, find your niche, build your platform and start promoting products you believe in. The world is your oyster, now go crush it.